Mathematical wizard. Now we need two numbers between 1 to 15. Any numbers between 1 to 15? Alright, so the first number is number 4. How about the second number? 9. Alright, so the second number is number 9. So the equation is 4 plus 9. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, trainer, please fill shuffle the numbers. Now we must not tell the answer yet. Did you know the answer? Quiet, please. Now let's go in our hybrid bako, Rocky. Wow, Rocky, what a beautiful entrance. Trainer Vince, is Rocky ready? Go, Rocky. Solve the equation for us. And he gets the first number correct. But how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. And he gets number 3. So 4 plus 9 is equals to 13. A round of applause for Rocky with Trainer Vince. This time, we need an apple for dear 500 peso bill. Anyone who wants to be our lucky volunteer for the day, just raise your hands up and Trainer Mikey will choose one. Alright, we got one. You will notice that the birds in our show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. They have a very good memory and can remember even the smallest details. Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. Sir, first off, what is your name? Ram. A round of applause for our volunteer, Mr. Ram. Now, sir, may I have the 500 peso bill? Oh, guys, 1,000. Now, sir, all you have to do is stand here in front, over here, facing this way, and extend your left arm, just like this, as I put your money between your fingers. Now, sir, do you have any idea what will happen next? Let's see, now let's go in our one bird, Buddy. Buddy is also our Mulukat Kakadu. Buddy flies over. Oh, he gets some money and flies back. And I think Buddy just donated the money! A round of applause for our donor! Sir, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, now you know that your money will go a long way, and we are very, very grateful. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show! Bye! Anyone else? How about 2,000 pesos this time? No more? Sir Ram, excuse me. Are you okay? Sir, you look so sad. No, sir, just kidding. It's all part of our show. Please come back here in front and we'll give your money back. Sir, Buddy is saying something. Before Buddy gives you your money back, Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? Wonderful. Now stand here in front. Look at the camera and offer your key. Sweet! Unlovable.
Kiss Kiss niya.
Ah, how about your just over your bum and look at the camera. ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent pilots, we would like to show you another species of bird here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, or also known as raptors, hunt and feed like other animals. The term raptor came